And we are going to try them out on cleaning my tile shower surround behind me. So my husband saw these and he picked them up for me. I was pretty excited because I'm going to see how they actually work. And if you look at the pictures, it has 360-degree scrubbing, power of any drill, includes 6 nylon scrub pads, 1 packing pad with a shaft, drill sold separately, obviously. So the cleaning solution I'm going to be using is multi-use CLR diluted. I'm going to put it inside of this little bucket there. And then I'm going to attach those Roto scrubs to the drill. And we're going to see how this is going to work. But first and foremost, I need to empty my shower behind me. So let's get on that. Okay, so now with my shower curtain, I normally just fold it up over the shower rod, so I'm going to go ahead and do that so we can get started on the tile surround. Alright, so we're going to open this up. And the texture is pretty rough, so it should cut pretty well, but okay, so it has a pretty good grip on there. So now I already prepared my CLR. I diluted it 50-50. I'm going to go ahead and dip this inside, just like that, and I'm going to go ahead and start. Okay, keep this down here. Now I don't want crazy high speed because I don't want it to fling the CLR all over me and the shower surround. So I am just lightly pressing down, and I lightly press down on the trigger, and I just increase the speed as I'm going and as it kind of becomes less watery. So I start on this tile. You can already see the foam. I'm going to carry on to the rest of the tile, and you're going to get to watch that. Okay, and there's the first coat on the tile. What I like about it a lot is I could get right up to the corners and really get it a good scrubbing. I'm going to give one more little coat to some of these darker spots, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse. Okay, so I did the first and second coat on the tile. It's looking fantastic. I'm loving the results. This is definitely a game changer when it comes to deep cleaning my shower surround. And now I'm going to give it a final rinse and show you the results. So here we are, the big reveal. It looks 100 times better. Soap scum, hard water stains are gone. And it's all thanks to the Roto scrub that I was easily able to attach to my drill and use effortlessly. Be sure to join me on the next video where we might be testing out some more tools.